Hello everyone, welcome to a mathematics class. Let's proceed with our next topic, that is prime factorization. Now first let's understand what are prime factors. We understood previously in this chapter what are factor and what are prime numbers. But now we have prime factors. So when we write factors in terms of prime numbers, those are called prime factors. If these numbers are written as factor of any given number, then these are called as prime factors. And the method of calculating prime factors is called prime factorization. Now we have two methods. One is factor tree method and number two is repeated division method for prime factorization. First, let's understand factor tree method. As the name is suggesting, it is a tree of factors. So for an example, let's take number 84. So we will write this 84 as the first step or as the top of this tree. Now we will write next two factors of 84 which are immediately coming to our mind. We can write any factors to this, like 4 and 21. As these are the two factors which are coming immediately to my mind as factors of 84, you can write other factors also. Now, not 4, neither 4 nor 21 are prime numbers, or you can say prime factor. So we will factorize them further. Now write the two factors of 4. So we can write 2 and 2 as factors of 4. Now we know these 2 is the prime number. We can call them prime factors. So we had reached to the prime factor by the factor 4 of 84. Now this 21 is left. So we will not further bifurcate these prime factors. They will remain as it is. Now we come to 21. 21 is also not a prime number, not a prime factor. So we will write factors of 21 now. As I can write two factors of 21, 3 and 7. Now again 3 and 7 are prime numbers or prime factors. So my method of factor tree will stop here. I will not go further. And this shape of these factors is a shape of tree. That is why this is called a factor tree. Now we got all the prime factors of 84. These are prime factors of 84. We can write as 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 7 are prime factors of 84. Right? So this is the factor tree method. Now this 84 was a composite number. Let's see how we can make a factor tree of any prime number. Next, for example, I take prime number 19. So I will write 19 as top of the tree. Now we know prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and number itself. So this is the only factor tree of prime number. There is one point that during prime factorization of composite number, number 1 and that given number itself is not considered for factorization. While I have prepared the tree of composite number 84, I had not taken 1 and number itself as the factor of it. So this is a rule of prime factorization. In the prime factorization of any composite number, we do not take into consideration number 1 and number itself as a factor. But on making factor tree of any prime numbers, we will write 1 and number itself. This is the only way to make a factor tree of any prime number. Next method is repeated division method. Now repeated division means dividing again and again. Given number till we get a quotient as 1. For example, 46. Now we will divide this 46, and as we are finding out prime factors to this number, so we will start dividing this number with the smallest prime number, and smallest prime number or prime factor is 2. So let's see whether it is divisible with 2 or not. So 46 is divisible with 2. On dividing, we get a quotient as 23. Now this 23 is a prime number and it is not divisible by any other number. It is divisible by itself only. So we will write 23 here and 1 as quotient. Now once we got a quotient as 1, we will stop our division here. We will not go further. Now we got the prime factors of 46. So prime factors of 46 are, you can write it as prime factors of 46 are 1 multiply 23 or 1 and 23. You can write it any way, like this or like this. That is your choice. Right? So these are two methods of prime factorization: factor tree method and repeated division method. Thank you.